Good morning, students. Take out your assistive books. Today we will read Chapter 3 Natural Resources. Let me know what is resources. Resources are a stock of things that are useful to us. Resources ऐसी things का stock होता है जो कि हमारे लिए useful है. And natural resources are जो useful things हमें nature से मिलती है that are called natural resources. The earth has a huge amount of natural resources in the form of water, air, sunlight, soil, minerals, forests, animals, and various of other things. And natural resources are very helpful for us. Let me know importance of natural resources. Help us to survive and grow. Natural resources है like sunlight, air, water. They are very essential and they help us to survive and grow. Provide employment opportunity. Natural resources में इन्वॉल्व जो एक्टिविटीज़ होती है वो पीपल्स को एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रोवाइड करती है. ट्रेड विथ अदर कंट्रीज़. इफ़ अ कंट्री हैज़ अ एक्स्ट्रा रिसोर्सेज it can trade them other countries. Production of crops. Soil, fertile soil. Soil is natural resources and help us in production of variety of crops. Forest provide us many things. Forest provide us many things like timber, rubber and spices. Provide minerals. These are importance of natural resources. Next, type of natural resources. Based on availability, natural resources are classified into two types: renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources. Resources which can be used repeatedly and get naturally are called renewable or inexhaustible resources. जो रिसोर्स को हम रिपीटेडली मतलब बार बार यूज़ कर सकते हैं दैट आर कॉल्ड रिन्यूएबल resources like sunlight, water, air, soil, plant, forest and animals are example of these resources. The sun is a constant source of light and heat for the earth. Sun is a renewable resources, solar energy. The energy produced by the sun is known as solar energy and it is used by plants to perform photosynthesis and it is also used for powering. Water is renewable resources and natural process recycling of water is called water cycle. And we also generate electricity from water. Next, renewable resources is air. The energy produced by wind is known as wind energy. These are renewable resources. Let me know about non-renewable resources. Some resources cannot be renewed once and they are used up, while others take millions of years to get renewed through natural process. Non-renewable resource वो रिसोर्स होते हैं जिनको एक ही बार यूज़ कर सकते हैं एंड उन्हें रिन्यू होने में 1000 ईयर्स लगते हैं. लाइक मिनरल्स, फ्यूल्स. ओके, मिनरल्स आर नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज. दे आर फाउंड इन रॉक ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ एंड अंडर द अर्थ और अंडर द सी. मिनरल्स होते हैं नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्स है. वाई? बिकॉज we can use once and it take 1000 years to renew. Gold, silver, iron, copper, aluminum, coal, petroleum are example of minerals found under the surface of the earth. Fuels such as petroleum, coal are formed over millions of years through natural process. They are used in large quantity for various purposes. Conservation of natural resources. What do you mean by conservation? Use and management is called conservation. Conservation is essential for preserving essential natural resources such as air, water, land, plant and animals. Means जो रिसोर्स का हम यूज़ करते हैं वो अननेसेसरी यूज़ नहीं करना है, जितना ज़रूरत हो उतना ही यूज़ करना है, उसे मैनेज करके यूज़ करना है. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड कंजर्वेशन. वे टू कंजर्व नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. प्लांट मोर ट्रीज बिकॉज trees release oxygen, provide us wood, other herbal products. Use paper, wood, petrol, coal and other resources carefully. Those resources are non-renewable. We should be used carefully. Use public transport, and to travel short distance or walk, use bicycle. Vehicle that run on CNG should be preferred because CNG is renewable and petrol, diesel are non-renewable. Use alternative energy such as solar and wind energy because resources are very useful for humans, plants and animals, and we should be conserve our natural resources.